How to make ChatGPT sound more human. In order to make your ChatGPT sound more human, normally an AI written content, maybe you're asking it to help with your assignment or anything, and AI written content is going to sound like AI, right? And you want to use as a normal tone as a human as possible, use a little bit of errors even here and there to be able to make it sound more human. One thing that you can do is within your custom instructions, so whenever you're typing with ChatGPT, you can simply instruct it to use conversational language, adopt a specific persona, and avoid robotic cliches like delve or in conclusion. So you can also use prompt engineering to ask for varied sentence lengths, active voice, and personal anecdotes rather than rigid academic structures. But if not, once you've written a certain content with ChatGPT, you can simply go to your browser and just go to humanize.ai. So you can just go to Humanize AI. You can use any Humanize AI tools that you want to have, and you can simply select a certain tool, which is an organic result, and paste the text that you got from ChatGPT, and it will detect 0% AI. And this way you can make ChatGPT sound more human. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.